The phrase "your computer has a virus" has taken on a whole new meaning. Transfer by surface contact and air circulation through the cooling fan makes the entire device a potential carrier of pathogens. STS Education offers a comprehensive service that cleans and disinfects the outside and the inside of devices. At your request, we also test and repair units before they are decontaminated, freeing up your IT staff to focus on other priorities. Here's how it works. Send your devices to our facility in Simi Valley, California. Or, for select locations and quantities, we can bring a mobile decontamination trailer to your site. After your devices are tagged with your organization's name, we scan the serial tags and inspect for any excessive damage. Next, we manually clean the units with a HEPA vacuum and disinfectants. If you have requested our testing and repair service, we perform functionality testing on every unit and provide you with a device health report. Units with broken or failing components will be repaired at your request. Units are loaded inside our decontamination trailer, where they are fogged with vaporized hydrogen peroxide for over 30 minutes, achieving what is known as a 6-log kill rate against pathogens. Devices are then sealed in individual bags and placed in eco-friendly bulk shipping boxes for return to your site. The certificate of decontamination included with your shipment is your assurance that the sealed devices are clean, sanitized, and free of pathogens. STS Device Decontamination, providing peace of mind.